Welcome back. In previous lecture, we discussed the basic operation of a typical hydraulic system and what are the basic components that are normally used in a common hydraulic system. In this lecture, lecture number 9, we'll talk about the criteria for a hydraulic system and hydraulic system component selections. When we talk about circuit selections, generally speaking, the type of circuit that is chosen for a given applications depends on several factors. These factors include cost, where I need to consider the cost of my equipment, my component which I'm going to use in a hydraulic system, the weight in order to identify the space I require. Sometimes the hydraulic system depends on the applications itself. I need to have some restrictions on the space or weightage, so I need to consider the weight. Easy of maintenance. How do I frequently perform a maintenance activity, whether it is easy or no. Operating cost. Then machine duty cycles. What is the life cycle of every component? When we talk about component selection criteria, circuits can be arranged in a various way, using alternative components to provide a system for any given application. Additionally, different components designs are available to perform a specific function, and because of this and their influence on the circuit design, this component selections criteria or a process requires a knowledge of the following. I need to know the range of hydraulic components that are available to suit my requirement. I need to know the operating characteristics of the components and their use in the circuits and control system. The availability type of each hydraulic circuits I'm going to develop. Analytical methods for determining the system performance to meet the machine specifications. For system design process, the major activity involved in design process can be summarized as follows. I need to evaluate the machine specifications and determine the type of hydraulic system to be used. I need to establish type and sizes of major hydraulic components. I need to consider the size and the weight as we discussed. I need to have a proper selection of the design of the hydraulic circuits to suit my requirements and my application, and carry out a performance analysis of the system and determine its ability to meet the machine specifications. This is simple. Those are the main design process activities I need to consider period designing my hydraulic system. We came to the end of this lecture. Thank you and see you in next lecture.